An original and early DBS Vantage. Fitted and equipped from new with factory optional refrigerated air conditioning and power assisted steering. Delivered from new in Silver Birch and recently retrimmed in Suede Green hides with new matching carpets. This early example of the DBS Vantage, distinguishable by the rear wing-mounted vents, slimmer sill finishes and slimmer front and rear valances. The early DBS Vantage, as presented, is arguably the most elegant and striking variant of the model. Exported when new to Japan and returning to the UK in 2009 before being extensively restored by established UK Aston Martin specialists. Works carried out included the replacement of chassis sills and an overhaul of all suspension and brakes. A photo record of the works carried out is included in the history file. More recently, the car has been repainted in its original colour to a high standard and been rigorously maintained regardless of cost for the last enthusiast owner during recent years, all in our own workshops. Of the circa 800 DBSs produced, just 70 right-hand drive examples were manufactured to Vantage specifications, of which this attractively equipped and well-finished car is one. Vantage specifications included triple Weber carburetors and revised camshafts, increasing engine performance to acclaimed 325 horsepower, and capable of propelling the DBS Vantage to a top speed beyond 140 miles an hour and a 0 to 60 time of less than 7 seconds. Equipped with its original matching numbers engine and originally supplied with automatic transmission, this example is now fitted with the more desirable and correct type ZF 5-speed manual gearbox, installed with appropriate final drive ratio and limited slip rear axle. A visual and driving delight, this rare and desirable car has been extensively prepared in our workshops and is available for viewing and demonstration at our Hertfordshire showrooms.